For centuries, humanity believed the earth belonged to them. We built cities, conquered forests, roamed oceans, silenced the wild. But deep within nature, something awakened. Not anger, not hunger, revenge. It began with the lions, thousands of them, moving as one, not hunting for survival, hunting for war. Then came the giants. The ground trembled beneath their rage. Elephants once gentle, now unstoppable. Highways shattered, steel crushed like paper. Humanity's machines, powerless. And the skies were no longer ours. Wings darkened the sun. Eagles tore through helicopters. Bats turned daylight into night. There was nowhere left to run, not even the heavens. We fought back, or at least we tried. Armies rose, weapons fired, but nature had learned our violence. Guerrillas stormed our defenses, not as beasts, but as soldiers. From the depths,